Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid the Warden in Minecraft. The Warden is blind, relying entirely on sound and vibrations to detect you. To stay safe, move very slowly and quietly through the deep dark. Crouch walking is essential, as it significantly reduces your sound output. Place wool blocks on the ground to muffle your footsteps, creating a sound-dampening path. This strategy is crucial for navigating the biome undetected and preventing its powerful attacks. When the Warden is near, you can use clever tactics to misdirect it. Throw snowballs or arrows in a direction away from you to create a distraction, drawing its attention elsewhere. Build temporary safe zones by surrounding yourself with wool blocks, which absorb vibrations. Consider carrying swiftness potions. A burst of speed can be invaluable for quickly escaping its detection radius, which is about 20 blocks. These methods help you maintain distance and avoid direct confrontation. Before venturing into the deep dark, proper preparation is key. Equip yourself with full netherite armor, enchanted with protection 4, to withstand its devastating attacks. A shield is vital for blocking its sonic boom, which can deal 10 hearts of damage even through walls. Carry a generous supply of healing items, such as golden apples and instant health potions, to recover quickly from any damage taken. Being well-equipped dramatically increases your chances of survival. If you are detected and a confrontation seems unavoidable, remember that escape is always the best option. Quickly build a 2-block high pillar to temporarily get out of its melee range, though it can still use its sonic boom. Dig a 3-block deep trench to slow its movement, buying you precious seconds to flee. The Warden possesses 500 health points, making direct combat extremely difficult and often fatal. Focus on disengaging and retreating to safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.